This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started. Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Chef John, and today I'm going to be cooking Pistachio Crusted Lamb. It's one of my holiday favorites, and it's sure to impress anybody that comes over to your house these holidays. So we have a locally sourced lamb from Haddon Farms in Gibson, Georgia. They do a wonderful job of producing spectacular lamb. We were burning that Kingsford classic pellet for that traditional savory flavor that you've come to know and expect from that Kingsford brand. So we have the chops. So what we're going to do first, right, while we're letting our grill warm up, we're going to go ahead and hit them with some seasoning. Today I'm going to be using the Ben's Heffer dust and also that Colden's Freakin Greek. Unmistakable, undoubtable, delicious. All right, I'm just going to brush them a little bit. Just going to dip my fingers in this olive oil. We're just going to rub them down. Use that olive oil as a binder to help the seasoning stick better. We could go ahead and start to season it up. We're going to start with a nice base of that heifer dust. And then we're going to finish it off with that Colden's Freakin Greek. All right. So I'm going to go run out to the grill, and we're going to go ahead and throw these lamb chops on the B380. Get a great sear on them. I'll see you outside. Come on, let's go. All right, holiday fam, we just pulled these delicious lamb racks off the B380. Got a little bit of sear on them. Now we're going to create that crust, okay? So what we're going to do is, we got our handy bowl. We're going to go ahead and add some crushed pistachio, some panko. Then we're going to pour in a little bit of melted butter and a little bit of Dijon mustard. We're going to rub right over the top. All right, now I'm going to take my mustard. And we're just going to smear the mustard right over the top. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and add our crust straight to our lamb. Just pack it on there tight. So now you're going to want to let this delicious pistachio crust rest a little bit so that you can ensure that it's going to stick to your lamb. After it rests for about 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and put it back on the B380 at 425 degrees. We're going to let it cook for about 8 minutes, pull it off, and it's going to be the perfect medium rare. I'm telling you right now, you guys will not be disappointed. All right, holiday fam, this pistachio crusted lamb came out delicious. Look at this crust. Man, it looks so nice. What do you say we slice these bad boys up and see what it looks like? Man, that lamb came out perfect, medium rare. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Holler if you hear me. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to recteq and Kingsford's YouTube channel for awesome content like this and so much more. This pistachio crusted lamb came out delicious. The RTB380 did a perfect. Make sure that you try this. This will take any lamb lover's expectations and totally exceed them. Thanks to that Kingsford classic pellet with that savory, traditional flavor that you've come to know and expect from that Kingsford brand. Guys, I'm Chef John, and from everybody here at recteq, I want to wish you and yours a very, very happy holidays.